Here I'm going to show you the easiest way to find the serial number. You can see here I pressed is equal to row. Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to find day, month and year by the date. You can see here. यहाँ पर मैं आपको बताने जा रही हूँ किस तरह से हम फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे स्कॉलरशिप फाइंड करने के लिए। In this video I'm going to show you how to find the net working days. So you can see here. In this video, I'm going to show you the use of trim and proper and trim function. You can see here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove initial 6 digits of mobile number for security purpose. You can see here, I put here is equal to. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the amount with the GST and without GST. You can see here. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to find the how to convert the number to Roman number. You can see here. I hope you have liked the videos which I have shared with you, the tricks and formulas. So thank you for watching all these videos, and I have been creating. एंड अगर आपको अच्छे लगते हैं मेरे वीडियोस, मेरे ट्रिक्स पसंद आते हैं, तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू.